How can one escape poverty? Sometimes some people have been telling me that some people are saying that one is born into wealth or one is born being poor, while others tell me that no, being poor or rich or middle class is a mindset. One can escape from being poor if they have the right mindset in life. So based on your experience and what you've seen throughout the years, you've experienced people who have been born rich and you've experienced people who have been born poor. And today, at your age, among all these people, what did you witness? What is poverty or wealth really about? Is it about being born with it, being married to it, or is it really a mindset?
Siguro bigyan natin ng example, no, halimbawa, no. Let's look at Singapore in particular. As a nation, when they were separated from Malaysia in the 1960s, Singapore was a very, very poor country at that time. No? They really had no natural resources to brag about or to explore or to exploit. But what happened? Why is it Singapore now wealthier than most of the Asian nations all over Asia? It was basically, or it is basically, the mindset of the Singaporean people. First, they accepted their limitations and their weaknesses. Second, they persevered in their strengths and capabilities. And third, they had the determination to follow through. So, pag-a-analyze natin, yung mindset ang mas mahalaga. Kasi what is the wealth of a nation? Is it the natural resources of a country? Is it the wealth of a country? Or is it the people themselves who makes the country a wealthy nation? So, ganun din sa buhay natin mga tao, no? May mga taong may minanang mga kayamanan, pero kalaunan, pagkatagal ng ilang panahon, naubos na yung kayamanan nila dahil nawaldas to sa mga mali-maling pamamaraan. At meron naman mga taong tumama rin ng loto o nagkaroon ng mga kayamanan na sinuwerte sila, pero pagkatapos ng ilang panahon, nawawala rin yung kayamanan nila dahil nga hindi nila nagagamit yung kanilang kayamanan sa tamang paraan. Ang pinakamahalaga sa tingin ko yung abilidad ng bawat isang tao, ng bawat mamayan, at patuloy na paghahasa para gumaling ang kanilang kaalaman para na sa ganon, mas maging magandang kanilang kinabukasan. Let's not forget, what happens to a person when you don't have the skills and abilities to be able to succeed in life? Most people will blame others. Katulad sa bayan natin, bakit tayo nalulugmok ngayon sa kahirapan? Ang dami naman nating likas yaman. What is happening and what's going on? Why is this happening? It's because the mindset that we can always ask something from the government or from our relatives. Hindi kaya dapat ang tingnan natin how do we improve our skills so that we can earn more and better, we can be more productive, so that we can help others and we can help our nation grow. So yun ang nakikita ko.
What are the mindsets or the key values that one needs so that they can, example, you're poor today, mahirap ka ngayon, and ano yung mga advice para from poverty, makaalis ka from poverty? I'm not necessarily saying na yumaman sila, but at least hindi na sila maging poor. Ano yung mga mindset dapat?
Well, ang number one mindset is dapat maging masigasig ka, no? Dapat maging masipag ka sa paghahanap ng tamang paraan kung paano ka magkakaroon ng maayos na hanap buhay. Pangalawa, dapat meron kang persistence o determination na para mas madali kang matanggap o mas madali kang makapaglingkod sa kapwa. Pangatlo, aasa ka sa iba, iniisip mo palagi kang may mahihingan na tulong. Isipin mo na wala kang mahihingan tulong kundi sarili mo. Kaya tulungan mo sarili mo na mas maging magaling at mas maging kahasa-hasa sa mga abilidad para sa ganon mapakinabangan ka ng kapwa mo at ng lipunan, at kung mapapakinabangan ka, makakapaglingkod ka. Pang-apat, huwag kang magkaroon ng tinatawag natin mapang-isang attitude. Yung bang, you want to take advantage of others. You want to get more but give less. Yun ang maling pananaw. Kaya nga hindi umaasenso ang buhay mo kasi nga what you want is more, but you're not thinking of giving more so that you can get more. If you want more, there's nothing wrong with that for as long as you're ready to give more. If you're not willing to give more but you want more, then therefore you become a parasite to society. And that's the start of the failure of a society. So, sa mga kababayan natin, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mas magandang kinabukasan, be ready to give more. Give your heart, give your determination, give everything that you've got, and continuously improve in learning new things in life so that you can serve society better. Hindi yung kinakailangan makalamang ako, makaisa ako, o kinakailangan makaloko ko ng kapwa ko. Pag ginawa natin yan, siguradong lalagapak ang ating buhay dahil karaunan, hindi tayo tatangkilikin ng lipunan.
Many people are still confused na Porket ba meron ako mga skills, I can escape poverty, or dapat ba may minana na lang, mas komportable yung buhay. Some people are arguing with me, privilege is what gives others the edge versus the poor. But I say, it's not necessary, because I'd like to share one story of a haciendero family that I know. During the 60s and 70s, napakalaking hacienda nila, may mga mansion sila, pero ngayon, yung kanilang mga anak na medyo matatanda na, halos naghihikahos sila, na medyo naubos na lahat ng mga minana nila at kung ano-ano na mga para silang matatandang namamalimos at nawalan sila ng paraan kung paano kumita ng pera. I'm sure it's not the first time you've heard of this story, kasi yung mga kilala mong kabataan ka, dati mga mayaman, nasaan na sila ngayon?
Marami sa kanilang naghihirap na rin at nawala ng magandang kinabukasan dahil nga lumaki sila sa layaw at naging kakaiba yung kanilang pag-iisip. Iniisip nila they are privileged, they're entitled sa mga pribileyo sa mundong to, but they forget one thing. Your privilege and your entitlement only comes with your accomplishment, your achievements, and your determination to continuously perform. That's why even in America, most companies who have succeeded and continuously to succeed are those who continuously find ways to excel and to become better. So if you lose that kind of mentality and determination, that more or less you're like digging your grave slowly towards destruction and towards poverty.
A mindset beats your birth, kasi people are just born into whatever situation, but at the end of the day, your mindset is what will take you whether you're gonna go up or down. So those who are just born with privilege, at the start they look like they're better, but when they go through life without improving or trying to become problem solvers because they rested on the laurels of their parents, eventually those who had the right mindset can eventually overtake them. Correct, Madam?
Correct. So again, to summarize, there are 4 elements, if you will ask me, of how to be able to improve yourself and to get out of poverty. Number 1, you have to have the right attitude. Ibig sabihin ng right attitude, dapat positibo ka. Hindi yung gusto mong makalamang, makaisa, makaloko. And dapat you are always willing to give more. And so that eventually you will get more. That's the right attitude. It's very important. Second, of course, is your determination. Determination for you to be able to accomplish things, to be useful in society, to be productive to others, so that society will continuously look up for you to serve them. And when you are useful, you get paid better, and you will always be consistently in demand. And number 3, which is very important also, continuous education or learning. You have to continuously learn new things, update yourself and upgrade yourselves with every skill that you can get, so that you can always do better and serve better, and the society will always give you a higher value for the skills that you show them. And number 4, which is also very important, is patience. You have to be patient. You have to be patient because success doesn't come easy. Just like a tree, when you plant it, it doesn't grow overnight. It takes time for a tree to grow. And so the same in life. If you are patient, you are determined, you have the right attitude, and you have the right skills, the chances, the probability that you will succeed in life and you will have better life is higher than those who don't do that.
Alright, so this video or this vlog was meant to inspire everyone watching. Whatever situation you're in right now, you can still get out or you can still improve, no? No one's destined to be poor. Nobody is destined to be where they are if you're middle class or not doing so well. It is not your destiny. Your destiny is determined by your attitude in life, your mindset, and the skills that you do to continuously improve yourself and find ways to go up, no? If you give up, no matter how rich your parents are, if you give up early in life, you'll really be poor, no? So that's what we're trying to share with you today. Anyway, once again, I am Engineer Morgan Say, your coach ng Bayan.
At ako naman si Michael Say, ang inyong dad ng Bayan.